What makes a true hero? Is it victory on the battlefield, or is it the courage to stand tall even in the face of certain death? History has its favorites, stories of great rulers, legendary warriors, and powerful dynasties that shaped the world. But some stories, though just as powerful, are often pushed to the margins. One such story is that of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, a king whose bravery shook an empire and whose sacrifice fueled a revolution. And now, Bollywood is finally bringing his story to life. Chhaava, an upcoming historical epic starring Vicky Kaushal, aims to showcase the life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's son, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, a warrior king who refused to bow down to the might of the Mughal Empire. The film is based on a novel by the same name, written by Shivaji Savant. Chhaava means lion's cub. But who was he really? And why does his story deserve to be told? Let's go back in time to meet the forgotten warrior king. Born in 1657, Sambhaji Maharaj was destined for greatness, but his journey was far from easy. Imagine growing up as the son of one of the greatest rulers in Indian history. The weight of expectation, the constant scrutiny, the endless comparisons. When Shivaji Maharaj passed away in 1680, a battle for succession erupted. Court conspiracies, betrayals, and power struggles. Sambhaji had to fight for his rightful place on the throne. And when he did, his rule was marked by relentless wars. Sambhaji Maharaj ascended to the throne in 1681, at a time when Aurangzeb, the most powerful Mughal emperor, was determined to subdue the Marathas. But instead of submitting, Sambhaji did the unthinkable. He went on the offensive. His reign was short, just 9 years, but it was fierce. He waged over 120 battles against the Mughals, the Siddhis, the Portuguese, and the British, and he did not lose one single war. Think about that for a second. At a time when the Mughals were at the peak of their power, when Aurangzeb had a massive army and seemingly unlimited resources, Sambhaji Maharaj refused to surrender. His military campaign stretched across the Deccan, forcing Aurangzeb into an exhausting 27-year-long war, one of the longest and most costly wars the Mughal Empire ever fought. Eventually, in 1689, Sambhaji Maharaj was captured by the Mughals. Aurangzeb offered him a choice: convert to Islam and live, or refuse and face death. Sambhaji's answer? A resounding no. What followed was one of the most barbaric and gruesome executions in history. He was subjected to weeks of unspeakable torture. His eyes were gouged out, his tongue was cut off. Even in unbearable pain, he refused to bow down. His last words: "Not even if I have to die 1,000 times." Aurangzeb had hoped to crush the Maratha spirit by killing Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj, but his brutal execution enraged the Marathas, who fought back harder and eventually dismantled the Mughal Empire in the years that followed. So why does this film matter? Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj has remained an underrated hero, a warrior king whose courage and sacrifice shaped Indian history. His story deserves to be told, not just in textbooks, but on the big screen. With Vicky Kaushal stepping into the role, expectations are sky high. The film, directed by Lakshman Utekar, promises to be a historical epic, a mix of action, drama, and emotion. But more than that, Chhaava is a reminder of courage in the face of tyranny, a resistance against oppression, and of a legacy that refuses to be erased. We only hope that the film does justice to the great story of Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. This is Leena Lal signing off for now. Keep watching Famous TV for stories of courage and inspiration.